Hello, my amazing STEM students. This is Mrs. A with your week 2 challenge. So this week, you are going to be creating a really cool hoop glider. That kind of looks like this. And we're going to practice our engineering design process. And if you're thinking, I don't remember what the engineering design process is, that's okay. I got you in a second. So we're going to be creating this, and we're going to collect some data from when you throw it and fly it. Okay? So let's get started with week number 2. If you don't remember what our engineering design process is, I want to kind of jog your memory and have you think back to when we did the engineering design dance. So we're not going to practice that together. I'm just going to kind of give you a quick overview. So engineering design starts with finding a problem, asking questions, well, how can I fix this problem? And then making a plan as to how to fix that problem. And then building that actual item that will solve your problem. And then if it doesn't work, then you try it again. Remember, try it again with a different spin. And then reward yourself and tell a friend. So you're going to share your results with me after you complete this challenge. All right. So our problem today is you have a friend 6 feet away that you want to send a message to using this glider. So you want to get it to them, and it can't land before 6 feet. If it goes over their head, then that's too far. You want to get it just there. All right. So you're going to create this glider, and using the engineering design process, you're going to try and figure out what size circle would be the best, what side you should throw it from. Should you throw it from the big loop side or the small loop side first to get it to go as far as you can? And now I understand that not a lot of people at home have measuring equipment, so we're going to measure in seconds. So for this experiment, we're going to see how many seconds in the air your hoop glider stays. So when you throw it from whatever starting point, you're going to count 1, 2, 3, and if it lands on the ground, then you stop counting. Okay? So you need 3 trials. Obviously, you can throw it as many times as you want, but I just need 3 times. That's all I need for your data. All right. And you're going to try out different things. So if this looks too big, you can take this off and make it smaller. If this looks too small, you can add some more pieces and make it a larger index card. Okay. If you have the big index cards in your bag, which some people do, you can cut yours down in half first and then cut the different strips. Okay. So, problem: getting this glider 6 feet to a friend to send them a message. You're going to figure out what loop size. I'm not going to tell you what specific loop size. You can practice that, and you can figure out a different loop size that works the best for you. You're going to try it out, hit 3 times. 1, 2, 3. All right. And then you're going to tell me in a Flipgrid what happened when you made this and what happened when you changed the sizes of the loops. All right. Have a wonderful day. Send me any kind of message you need to clarify, and I'll see you all next week. Have fun exploring. Bye.
All right, here are your supplies to create your hoop glider. You need a pair of scissors, the straw from your bag, the tape, the masking tape from your bag, and if you have these little white stickers in your bag, you may need those too, and an index card. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines and cut down the middle. So if you have the larger index card, I would cut that card in half and then do the same thing like I have with this regular size card. And then one of your sides, you're going to cut that in half. So you have 2 pieces. That is going to create your first loop. Oh, let me pick it up there. There you go. So those 2 are going to create your first loop. So you're going to tape them together. Take a piece of your masking tape from your stick. Not too big because we need to use this masking tape for other projects too. So I'm going to wrap it around and then I'm going to close the loop and grab another piece of tape. And this time I'm going to show you how to use these little white stickers if you have them in your bag. And I'm going to tear this one apart in half. And so I'm going to line it up again and fold it over so that I tape both sides. And there's our big loop. All right, so we have our big loop. And then we're going to cut the other half of our index card into 2 pieces. And instead of putting both of those together, we're going to put one off to the side. And we're going to just close this little loop. And then take that other piece of your sticker and close that one loop. See how I fold it over? There you go. So now you have 2 loops, a big loop and a little loop. It really doesn't matter what sizes there are. You just need to have 2 loops. One of each size. So a big one and a small one. All right. So you're going to take your drinking straw and you're going to tape the straw on the inside of the loop. So I'm going to take one of these little stickers. Again, you can use masking tape as well. So don't worry about if you don't have the sticker. So I just took 1/2 of the sticker. And see how I placed it right there? And I'm going to tape around and make sure that my straw is secure on the inside of that loop. All right. I'm going to do the same thing for the other side with the small loop. Take the other half of the piece of tape and tape it on the inside. So there we go. Oh, there's a little extra on the outside, so I'm going to just fold that over. That's all right. So there we go. So now we have our glider. So the thing that you need to remember is that these loops don't need to be specific sizes. You just need to have a big loop and a small loop.